Sometimes you don't need an exact answer, you just need a quick one that's close enough. This is where estimation comes in. Estimating helps you solve problems faster, check your work, and make quick decisions in everyday life. Imagine you're shopping and want to know if you have enough money before getting to the checkout. Instead of adding every price exactly, you round the numbers and add them quickly in your head. Let's say your items cost $4.75, $2.40, and $3.10. You can round them to $5, $2, and $3. Add them up. $5 plus $2 plus $3 equals $10. The real total will be close to this, and you already have a quick idea of how much you'll spend. Estimation saves time. It's perfect for when speed matters more than accuracy. Like when cooking, building, traveling, or making quick financial decisions. Let's look at some quick estimation strategies. Strategy 1, rounding. Round numbers to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000 to make calculations easier. For example, 248 plus 563 becomes 250 plus 560, which equals 810. Strategy 2, front-end estimation. Focus on the most important digits and ignore the rest until the end. For example, to estimate 746 plus 389, you look at 700 plus 300 equals 1000. Then adjust slightly for the rest. Strategy 3, using compatible numbers. These are numbers that work well together mentally. For example, estimating 198 plus 302 is easier if you think of it as 200 plus 300 equals 500. Strategy 4, clustering. If you have several numbers close in value, multiply one by the quantity and adjust. For example, estimating 48 plus 51 plus 49 plus 50 as 4 times 50 equals 200. Strategy 5, using benchmarks. Benchmarks are common reference points, like knowing 50% is the same as 1/2 or that 25% is about 1/4. This helps when estimating percentages or fractions. Estimation also works with multiplication. If you're calculating 298x52, round to 300x50, which equals 15,000. It's quick and close to the real answer. For division, round the numbers to make the math simple. For example, estimating 978/19 by rounding to 1000 divided 20 equals 50. Decimals can be estimated too. For example, 3.78 plus 4.12 can be rounded to 4 plus 4 equals 8. This is especially helpful when adding money, measurements, or scientific data. You can also use estimation to check if your exact answer makes sense. If your exact calculation is way off from your estimate, it's a signal to check your work. Here are some real-world examples. Figuring out if you have enough gas for a road trip. Estimating cooking times for multiple dishes. Checking if a sale price is really a good deal. Planning how long a project will take. One common mistake is rounding too early in multi-step problems. If accuracy matters, wait to round until the end. Another mistake is forgetting whether you rounded up or down. This can make your estimate too high or too low. Here are some tips to improve your estimation skills. 1. Practice rounding in your head regularly. 2. Memorize common benchmarks like fractions, percentages, and square roots. 3. Get comfortable adjusting your estimate if it feels too high or low. Let's review. Estimation is for speed, not precision. Strategies include rounding, front-end estimation, compatible numbers, clustering, and using benchmarks. You can estimate in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and decimals. Use estimation to check your answers and make decisions quickly. Estimation is like a shortcut for your brain. It's not about getting the exact answer, but getting close enough to make quick and smart choices. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more practical math tips you can use every day.